Bolingit is a barangay in the city of San Carlos, in the province of Pangasinan. Its population, as determined by the 2020 census, was 3,679. This represented 1.79% of the total population of San Carlos. The household population of Bolingit in the 2015 census was 3,285 broken, down into 860 per household, or an average of 3.8 members per household.